This video will show you how to efficiently search for articles using subtopic keywords and search strings in PubMed. When you first access PubMed, this is the interface you will see. PubMed is a government resource and it is freely available for anyone to search, but not all articles will be freely accessible. If you get to PubMed through the Miami Library's website, you will have access to many more articles than if you go directly to PubMed through a search engine like Google. My recommendation is to start on the advanced search page and search each of your subtopics separately. This way, you'll have an easier time combining them later on to find relevant information that may cover different aspects of your topic. For this example, I'm going to use the research question, does the drug dipyridamole reduce blood clotting in diabetic COVID patients? This can be broken down into 4 subtopics: dipyridamole, blood clots, diabetics, and COVID-19. I'm going to take each of these subtopics and the keywords I generated for them, and I'm going to toss them into this first search box using Boolean operators to separate them. Let's start with dipyridamole. Since these are related terms and I want to make sure I find articles that mention any of them, I'm going to separate them using OR as shown. Dipyridamole, or anticoagulant, or antiplatelet, or vasodilator, or aspirin. Now I'm going to add this string to my query, and then I can use the drop-down box on the right here to add this search to my history. Using add to history instead of just search will prevent me from having to go back and forth through the results list in between searches and before I'm ready to look at them. Now you should see that your first search has been cleared from the box and you're ready to type in your list of terms for your second subtopic. So let's do that now, just as we did before, using the Boolean operator OR to separate my terms. Again, I'm going to add this to my query, and then I'm going to add this to my search history. And now I will repeat this whole process for the rest of my subtopics. Once all my subtopic searching is done, it's time to start combining them. This is done using the Actions option in the table containing your search history. Each search that has been run in the current browser session will be listed here in reverse order, along with links back to the results they returned. Clicking the 3 dots in the Actions column next to the first search will allow you to add this string back to the query box. Then, click the dots next to the second search string. You should see that your options have changed, and you're now able to select Add with AND. This is the correct option for finding articles relating to both subtopics. Now you should see both strings in the query box with parentheses around each piece and combined with AND. Now you can once again click Add to History. I recommend selecting different combinations of subtopics and combining them with AND to see how they interact with each other in the literature. You don't want to start by combining all your search strings, as that will only return those papers that talk about exactly what you're researching. This is a great way to see if anyone else has done this research, but it's not a great way to find background information and evidence pertaining to different aspects of your topic. Once you've combined your search strings in different ways, you're ready to start looking through the results to find articles relevant to your topic.